Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add shipping rates on Shopify. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to search on Google about shipping rates on Shopify. So here let's search for what shipping rates is on Shopify and how you can add it. So here you can see there are various results that we get, and here on the second result you can see we have the option for setting up shipping rates. So here let's click on this article. So this is the official Shopify help center, which has an article on setting up shipping rates. So in this page you can see we have various options that you can set on our Shopify store. So here first you have the option to create flat shipping rates. So when you scroll down on this article further, you can see how you'll be able to set up the shipping rates on Shopify. So here are the steps. So from your Shopify store, what you have to do is go to settings and then click on shipping and delivery. So once you click on the shipping and delivery, you'll be in the shipping section. So click the shipping profile that you want to edit and then click on add rate. So once you do that, you have to make sure that the value of price field is 0, then click on done and then click save. So here these were some steps that you can follow to add shipping rates on Shopify. Further down this article you have various options that you can set as well. So if you want, you can just read it and then do it for yourself. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to add shipping rates on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.